Realme has already confirmed that the Realme GT 8 series will be announced in October in China. The lineup will include two devices, the Realme GT 8 and GT 8 Pro. The GT 8 is said to adopt a refined design with a frosted metal frame, glass back panel, and rounded R-angle corners. The Realme GT 8 will be a smaller device compared to the Pro Edition. Realme GT 8 will pack a 6.6-inch screen with a flat design. Will feature the same 2K resolution 144Hz OLED screen as the GT 8 Pro. It supports global peak brightness of 2000 nits and introduces Realme's 4000 nit sunlight display technology, allowing up to 20% of the panel to reach this brightness level for outdoor visibility. On the performance side, the phone will run on the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, run on the next generation Realme UI 7 based Android 16. Realme GT 8 have a battery capacity around 8000 mAh. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.